Hello everybody, this is Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade. You might notice I'm feeling a lot better today. My voice is back and I'm glad to be back in good shape. So I can keep going on my 30 and 30 take 2. And I have a special fun brand highlight review today for you guys. We are looking at Hit the Bottle by Miss Michelle. And I have a number of representatives here. Now, she has recently started making some amazing polishes, regular polishes. This one is called Parrot Fashion. If you want to look at that, I am wearing it on my right hand. It is very lovely iridescent polish. It is among my favorite polishes in the world. So there's that, and then I'm just going to go through these swatches for you. They're done in the traditional black and white background, so you can see how they stamp on both black and white. We're going to do the fruit tingles first. So we've got apricot sour. You might have seen me look at this one before. I got this in a My Mani box from Beautometry. Let me see that. Come on, focus. There we go. So that is that. Let me put that aside so I know I've done it. Then we've got Bubblegum Bliss. And that one is right here. There you go. We've got Lemon Meringue Fizz, which is a lovely pastel yellow. I'm not a big fan of pastels, but I really love these. These are really fantastic. And they show up great over black and, you know, colors. So we've got Pool Party right here. And that looks good over both black and white. That is this color. Pretty great. We have, where's my green? This one is called Emeralds Are Forever. Looks like that in the bottle. When I show you the swatch, there's how that one looks. Now I used a You Are Sugar plate LO12 to swatch with these, just these couple of tiles. So just to let you know what I'm doing. Let me show you. I have a burgundy and a gold that I'm about to show you, and that's this Mani. The plate I used is one of the You Are Beautiful plate from AliExpress that has the damask on it. I don't remember offhand which one, but see, this is that burgundy. It's called, oh look, it's Wine 30. So I guess it's more technically truly a wine. Love that. And then we have, let me put Parrot Fashion aside, so because I've done that one. Brand new to her collection is Rose Glow Gold, and that is this. I don't know if you can pick this up, but this is just a beautiful, beautiful color. I am so pleased with this. I would pick that up as soon as you can. I know that she's got it over at Lantern and Wren. I don't know if anybody else has it yet outside of Australia. So you may want to ask your country supplier about that, whoever sells Hit the Bottle in your country. Here is her pewter, which is My Suitor Wears Pewter. Lovely color. The gold that I have in the big bottle is called Spun Gold. That's this one. And that is on here, you'll notice that spun gold is the one I used in this mani. So there's that. We have another gold that's called To Have and To Gold. And this is more like the traditional gold stamping polish. I actually prefer the spun gold, but this one is a little more yellow. Alrighty. And then we have, did I show you the emerald yet? I did. So I just need the red and the black. So we have Poison Apple. And that is here. Gorgeous, gorgeous red. This is probably my very favorite. And then this one is a sparkling black. It's called Shadows of Darkness. And predictably it does not show up well over black because it is black, but look at it on that white. Alrighty. So I will put purchase information, at least for the US, and then her website I'll put down there in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I don't know if I gave you a summary yet. No, I guess I didn't. But Hit the Bottle is my favorite stamping polish. Born Pretty I get for price. For quality I get Hit the Bottle. So I really thank you guys for coming and watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can keep getting my reviews and tutorials and tips and tricks. So thank you so much for joining me today. You guys have a good one. See you in the next one.